I'm sitting on Grace.
Here's mine to
Firepot. So the gift says chili con with rice. There's pasta bolognese.
Today we're going to do a review. We're going to try and decide which is better food. Is it the adventure food, pasta bolognese, or is it the Firepot chili con carne with rice? So we're going to taste both. We're going to make both. We're going to taste both.
I want to taste bolognese.
You will.
I want to eat all of it up.
So let's make it.
Our first time making food here.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
There's a little shelter.
So no, you tell me what the instructions are for the chili con carne.
Okay. Chili con carne and rice. It says gluten-free, lactose-free. That's what the best about this is. Because if you need to go, if you're wheat intolerant, then you need to do that.
Okay.
So let me read my adventure food. Dehydrated food, pasta with beef and tomato sauce. Add hot water up to line 10.0.370 nitrate 312 close zipper. Allowed to stand for 8 minutes. Mine goes for 8 minutes.
No, this is for 15 minutes, so yours is going to be ready before nose.
Hey, it's not a
Okay,
competition.
so first we have to boil the water. So can you turn the gas stove on, please?
Wait, I'm scared. Oh.
That's it. Remember, hold your hand down when you light it. Hold your hand down. That's it. Good. Go. There we
Woo!
go.
My hand got on fire.
Okay, now boys, this is the part where you need to keep your feet back. Please sit back. Okay, and we cannot bump this over, because if we bump this over,
Accident.
no water.
I haven't set it up with my foot. Loads of patterns.
Oh, that's cool, yeah?
I'm just building my house. I know it. I've got a lamppost. Can you see these are lampposts? My house smells. Is there one wolf? Oh, smell like the water's turning into steam, Dad. It's a good chance that it's cooking, Dad.
That's good news.
Thanks.
Starting to bubble and steam. Not much longer.
Dad, it's cooking.
Okay, so we have to be super careful now because the water is really, really hot. So we're going to turn the heat off. I'm going to put the water over here.
Yep, button.
Okay, and we're going to put the nose in first because it takes longer to cook.
Yeah, I was actually going to tell you that.
So let me just turn this.
Put the fire button.
And the most important thing you must remember with these meals, boys, is that there's a bag inside here.
Yeah.
This is to keep it dry. So you must take this bag out before you put the hot water in, because if you put the hot water in here with the bag, there's going to be a problem.
You'll have a dry meal.
Well, you'll cook it. So have a look at what it looks like. Have a sniff. It smells good, eh?
It smells like curry. Do you remember Dad ate this in that other video?
Yeah, I did. It was delicious, actually.
I bet it is. Dad, I'm very hungry.
I know, my boy. That's why we're going to do this now. Okay, then we close this. And Noah, can you set a timer on your phone for 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Mm. 15 minutes. How much seconds?
Just 15.
15 seconds?
15 minutes, yeah. Okay, so that's really
But how
hot.
much seconds?
No seconds, my boy. Just 15
Zero.
minutes. Sam, do you want to have a look at yours?
0 hours. 0 seconds.
0 seconds. 15 minutes, 0 seconds.
Alright.
Okay, the same thing. So we must remember to take this out before we put the the hot water in, otherwise it damages the food. Okay.
Damages the bolognese.
Yeah. Oh, that smells just like bolognese. Smell that, Sam.
That's not. Oh, let me smell.
It smells just like bolognese. Yeah.
I really wish I could have that. Well, I have to go lactose free. Just to see how my tummy's going. I just. No, look at me. Maybe some. Perhaps. Dog, you can go and explore. Come.
Okay, Sam, can you put a timer on your phone for 8 minutes, please?
Get the timer started.
Okay, that's busy cooking. Let's open the bags and have a smell.
I already tasted it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. My goodness, this is so good.
Should we put it in bowls before it's...
I'll eat it in a packet with a fork.
Let's have a look at yours now. Can you show me what it looks like inside?
I'll put it in the bowl, Dad. You had this before.
I did, yeah.
So yummy, isn't it? Isn't it nice? That, if I don't eat our ketchup...
Bowls.
Red, my favourite colour.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't eat, I'll fall into bits.
Really, Sam?
Because you were dreaming about bolognese, like you told us. I was wiping my fingers all the Oh, you mustn't do that. I can just pour
I wish I could eat the bolognese.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, no.
Tasty
Wait, please,
noodles.
Sam. Wait, please.
Looks yummy.
I'll gobble it
I
all
like
up.
to eat it.
I'm making such a mess, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like to eat it.
I know you do, my boy. I'm so sorry you can't eat this right now.
I was going lactose free.
Let's give you some...
Where's a spoon for me, Dad?
This one. You can use this one.
Metal spoon.
Go for it, Sam. Go for it. I know how hungry you are. So what do you think, boys?
Good, because now we talk to each other a lot.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, as well.
So Nobo, are you eating the chili con carne? You like it?
Gluten free.
Because it's gluten-free. Do you like it?
I love it.
You love it.
And now I'm eating bolognese.
Oh,
How's the
guess what?
bolognese, Sam? Do you like it?
Good.
Someone said he dreams about bolognese a lot.
Yeah, it's bolognese in the street.
Uh-huh. Sam, would you like some more bolognese?
Yes, please. I would love some. Extra good.
Here you go, Sam.
Smells so good. I wish I could eat it.
I wish I could eat it.
I wish I could throw the whole bowl in my mouth naked. Just do it to death.
Please give this video a like if you liked it. Because if you want to learn more about Sloth the Bear, give it a like. Give it a like, and tell us. Yeah.
Can you show me what your favorite animal is?
Sure.
Can you show me? What's your favorite animal? The bear. Oh, a bear.
What a sick. Like you see, this is black. So I think animal lied here.
Yeah, I think you could be right, yeah.
Is this thing? What's the crab? Ah, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boy,
Jesus.
let's see what it's like.
Guys, I think we're a long way back. It's a bit of a long way back.
Well, I think we can make it. I think we can.
Hi guys, so today is the Wolf, Sloth and Bear, and today we made 2 reviews on two meals. So what was the dehydrated meal we tasted was spaghetti bolognese And Firepot. Firepot. Hey.
What flavour is the Firepot?
Chili con con.
Did you like it?
I love it.
So one is pasta bolognese and Firepot with chili con con. Chili con con. Hi guys, so it's the wolf, sloth and the bear. So the sloth, wolf and the bear. Good.
And